Soldier Leonidas Simbizi boils beans for lunch at Camp Muha Army Base in Burundi's capital, Bujumbura. He works with a stove that uses peat instead of wood to fuel the fire. The government is trying to promote peat as an alternative energy source. Peat is relatively abundant and its use can save trees. Simbizi says he is happy that peat stoves protect the environment, but he wants them redesigned.
When I use wood stoves, there is not so much smoke, but with peat, there is much smoke. I prefer to use a wood stove.
Burundi's army is the main user of peat stoves, but there are plans to market peat stoves for civilians too. Meanwhile, in Cambodia, some 100,000 households now use ceramic water purifiers. A ceramic pot filters out microorganisms and other impurities in water, making it safe to drink. The U.S. nonprofit group International Development Enterprises is promoting the purifiers. Lach Amali is a satisfied customer.
I
find this water filter useful for two reasons. Firstly, I do not waste time going and cutting firewood in the forest or buying charcoal to boil water. At the moment, everything is very expensive. Secondly, when I drink water that has been cleaned with the water filter, I do not get diarrhea. It keeps me healthy, so in the end, I save a lot.
Ceramic water purifiers and peat stoves are two of many examples of appropriate technology. These low-tech innovations require fewer resources, are less expensive, and easier to maintain than conventional technologies. They also have less of an impact on the environment. They are meant to improve the lives of people in poor countries by saving them time, money, and other resources. Even higher-tech products, like computers, can be modified to suit local conditions. The One Laptop Per Child initiative was created by the U.S. nonprofit group of the same name. The green and white laptops are lightweight, durable, and can be hand-cranked or solar-powered. They use open-source software. This allows children and their teachers to adapt the software to their needs. Nicholas Negroponte is chairman of the One Laptop Per Child Foundation. He says the laptop is an example of appropriate technology.
One, it's very environmentally sensitive in that sense. Its friendliness and its, ecological footprint and all of those things is the lowest by, an order of magnitude. I mean, just the power consumption of this is 1/20th of the laptop that you and I use.
Peru has ordered some 400,000 laptops for its schools. The laptops are now being used by teachers and students at Apostol Santiago, a school some 100 kilometers north of the capital, Lima. 8-year-old Yesenia Borquez loves her computer.
I learn many things and I am very happy because I learn everything on the computer.
But experts say appropriate technology must also be commercially viable. Andrew Burns is a senior economist at the World Bank.
If there's no market for it, if people don't see it as fulfilling their need, or if for some reason it's just not quite right for that country, then it won't spread and it won't bring its benefits.
Teachers and students at the Kigali Institute of Science and Technology in Rwanda's capital are working to identify and fulfill market needs. The school has a host of low-tech machines that make nails and other everyday items. With this candle-making machine and molds, invented in Rwanda, production costs are about 2 cents per candle. Candles imported from China cost about 10 cents each in Rwanda. Students here are learning how to make candles out of beeswax, abundant in Rwanda, using no electricity or water in the process. Cathy Majtenyi for VOA News, Nairobi.
Yeah.